Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we're gonna be making these 3 ingredient recipes that I found off of BuzzFeed. So today we're gonna be making the first one. There's gonna be 3 parts of this. So the first one we're gonna be making today is gonna be a creamy mac and cheese.
Perfect.
Yeah guys, if you're on a budget like me, you're still trying to make that hustle on the paper, but you still want to eat really nice home cooked meals, this is one of the recipes that you can try out on these 3 things and then you're done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, and until next time, bye.